a giant cake. Wiggle, wiggle, it starts to shake. Is it dancing? Is it alive? Cake said hello, what a surprise! Baby shark jumps back in shock. Cake starts spinning, tick tock tock. Shake, shake, funny cake. Wobble, wobble, silly cake. Is it real or is it fake? Talking, dancing, birthday cake. Daddy shark says cut it fast. Cake runs away super fast. Grandma laughs, grandpa slips. Frosting lands on everyone's lips. Fish are sliding on the cream. This is wild, it's like a dream. Run, run, catch that cake. Don't let it escape the plate. Jump and splash and twist and shake. Catch that naughty birthday cake. Baby shark tries one more time. Come here, cake, you will be mine. He jumps up high, splash. Oh no! Falls straight into frosting snow. Now he's covered head to toe. Looks like cake. Hello, hello. Messy mess, what a sight. Baby shark is creamy white. Laugh, laugh, clap your fins. Hooray fun, everybody wins. Cake stops running, soft and sweet. Okay, friends, now you can eat. Everyone takes a yummy bite. Best cake ever, pure delight. Candles glowing, wishes made. Happy smiles never fade. Clap, 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 hooray, hooray. Best birthday ever today. Sing along and celebrate. Fun with baby shark and cake. Pop the balloons, dance around. Happy laughter fills the sound. Baby shark waves goodbye. See you next time, don't be shy. Honk, honk, the bus is here. Baby shark sings loud and clear. Sit down safe, hold on tight. Let's ride together, feels so right. 5 little kids got on the bus. Laughing, jumping, making fuss. One stood up to wave goodbye. Oops, he bumped his head so high. No more standing on the bus. Sit down safely, join with us. 4 little kids riding away, talking loudly, wanting to play. One was running down the seat. Driver said that's not so neat. No more running on the bus. Sit and smile, don't make fuss. 3 little kids singing a song, but one was bouncing all too strong. He slipped and slid, oh no, oh dear, who's that? Baby shark said sit right here. No more bouncing on the bus. Ride it safe, no rush, no fuss. Put it! 2 little kids looking around. One dropped toys onto the ground. Baby shark said pick them slow. Safety rules you must know. No more dropping on the bus. Keep it clean and safe with us. One little kid all alone forgot the rules he should have known. Baby shark came with a smile. Let's sit safely for a while. Now all kids are sitting tight, smiling, happy, feeling right. No more chaos, no more fuss. Safe, safe riding on the bus. No more chaos, clap, clap, clap. Sit and ride, tap, tap, tap. Baby shark says be safe with me. Happy bus ride 1, 2, 3. Happy bus ride 1, 2, 3. Moo! Moo! What's that sound? Hungry cow is on the ground. Crunchy munchy, here she comes, eating everything. Yum, yum, yum. Hungry cow sees apple red. Yummy snack, she goes ahead. Crunch, crunch, oh so fast. Apple disappears. is wrong. Moo, 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 munching fun. Cow is faster than a run. Everything she sees nearby disappears before our eyes. Cow eats carrots, Toot eats a shoe, even eats a toy or two. Jumping fence, she takes a bite. Oh no, that's not food, alright? Moo, 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 what a mess. Cow is causing pure distress. Crunch and munch and never stop. Everything goes pop, pop, pop. Farmer brings a giant cake. Stop right there, for goodness sake. But cow says, yummy treat, and swallows it in one big eat. But moo, moo, oh my wow. Cow is eating cake right now. Sprinkles flying in the air. Cow is munching everywhere. Farmer laughs, okay my friend. Maybe eating must now end. Cow just smiles and says moo, moo. I just love to munch, it's true. Moo, 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 slow it down. Don't eat everything around. Happy cow now takes a break. No more giant food mistake. Moo, 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 choo, choo, choo. Hungry cow is done with food. Clap your hands and sing along. Cow is part of funny song. Wow! Night is coming soft and slow. Tiny stars begin to glow. In a cozy room so warm and light, a little baby says good night. Baby lying in the bed, looking low underhead, looking out the window bright, watching stars in the night light. Baby whispers to the sky, I wish I could fly up there and touch the stars shining fair. Wow! Then comes a flutter by the lane, little owl in moonlight playing. Hello baby, don't you cry, I will take you to the sky. Baby smiles, eyes so wide. Owl says, come take a ride. I'll lift baby in the air, up and up without a care. Through the clouds they start to glide, moonlight shining side to side. Push, push up, they go, flying high and moving slow. Baby laughs with joyful sound. When stars are shining all around. And star one shining bright, so close I can feel the light. Then star two glow and blur. Hello star, I see you too. Wow! Then star three dancing free, they are smiling back at me. Then star four more and more, the sky is like a magic door. And star five so alive, so alive. Stars are jumping, wow, they thrive. Floating softly through the night, baby feels pure joy and light. Stars are singing lullaby. Moon is smiling in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle everywhere. Magic sparkles in the air. Owl says softly, time to go back to bed, nice and slow. Down they fly through clouds so deep. Baby yawns and starts to sleep. Back in bed so safe and warm, breeze are dancing in sweet form. Twinkle, twinkle, night is done. Counting stars was so much fun. I wish I could fly up there and touch the stars. Stars are glowing, passing by. Baby sleeps with smile so bright, dreaming of the starry flight. Ring! School is here! But wait, what do we see here? Baby steps in, oh so small. Is this school for me at all? Baby walks in, sleepy slow. Sees a lion, say hello. Teacher all says take a seat. Baby waves with tiny feet. Oops, oops, what's going on? Something here feels kinda wrong. Roar and meow and bark around. Baby hears so many sounds. Dog says woof, baby laughs. Cat is writing on the math. Monkey jumps on classroom desk. Is this school or jungle fest? Baby claps, I like this place. But paint is on his tiny face. Learn, what a mix. Animals doing funny tricks. School is wild, not so neat. Everyone is on their feet. Elephant rings the school bell loud. Birds are flying through the crowd. Frog is hopping on the chair. Teacher, what is happening there? Baby says I'm learning too. But he's drawing on his shoe. Oops, oops, silly day. Learning in a crazy way. Books are flying left and right. Birds are flying left and right. What a funny school delight. Teacher all looks very wise. Baby, you're a sweet surprise. This is animal school fun, but your school has just begun. Baby smiles, I love you all. Even if I came by fall. Clap, clap, lesson done. Learning here is full of fun. Roar and chirp and bark so loud. Animal school makes us proud. Teacher says let's help you go to your human school, you know. Animals wave goodbye with cheer. Come back anytime next year. Baby waves, I'll miss you all. Tripping slightly in the hall. Bye bye, what a day. Funny school in every way. Mistake turned into fun. Best school day for everyone. Ring, ring, school is done. Baby had so much fun. Sing and clap and don't be shy. Animal school, goodbye, good.